Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings, no waiting. Click the three-dot menu, choose Settings, and if you use Sync, sign into your profile so rules apply everywhere. Once done, navigate to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. This takes you to the controls that influence notifications, pop-ups, and permissions. Make sure to keep Chrome updated before changing site permissions, so you're working with the latest protection and UI layout. This avoids confusion in the next steps. Now focus on notifications within site settings to stop spam alerts. First, remove any suspicious or unknown sites from the Allow list by clicking the three dots and choosing Remove or Block. Then change the default behavior to Block so new sites can't prompt you without explicit action. Once that's set, enable Use Quieter Messaging or the equivalent to reduce permission prompts. This minimizes future interruptions. Make sure to clear cookie data for problematic sites so they can't re-register notifications without your consent. Finish by removing leftovers that cause repeat spam, clear site data for offenders, and reset their permissions to default. Next, inspect extensions. Disable or remove any that inject ads or change page behavior because they often trigger spammy messages. If notifications persist, reset Chrome settings or create a new user profile to isolate the issue. This restores defaults without uninstalling. One troubleshooting tip: if a site still bypasses rules, full site data clear plus restarting Chrome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.